Let us understand this value called firmness. Firmness in this context means developing the strength of the mind to withstand any amount of pain or pleasure, both extremes, sorrow or joy, failure or success, not getting carried away by the incident or the experience. How can I practice firmness? Being in charge of my thoughts, words, and actions, especially during challenging times such as crisis, adversities, unacceptable and unfair situations. How firmness benefits. An individual who practices firmness in life enjoys a regret free mind. In a disagreement, the mother curses the child, which deeply wounds the child. Then the mother realizes she didn't mean it and she goes through regret. By then, the child reacts by verbally abusing the mother, which terribly hurts the mother. Then the child realizes that it did not mean it and goes through regret. Regret invokes unpleasant feelings and sad emotions. A firm mind enjoys regret free life. Why to say something or do something, then regret for saying it and doing it? As you know, constant regret may lead to low self esteem and lack of self worth. When an individual starts practicing firmness in the family, it becomes easy for the others to practice along with them. May you be the one who role models firmness in the family, then it becomes the culture of the family or a cultured family. A firm mind doesn't hurt others and doesn't get hurt by others. Let peace become priority of our life. Take care.